Kasi gusto ko doon ako mag-karaoke. Tapos kapag may mga sasakay sa car, since marami naman sumasakay sa car, kakaraoke rin sila. Aldrin, what's up? Hello. Uy, ang dami naman natin today. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Yes, naging super busy lang talaga. Thank you, Aldrin. Salamat. Naging super duper busy for the past few months. Months na rin, no? Oo nga eh. Namiss ko na rin kumanta. Totoo lang. Pero for now, kwentuhan muna tayo kasi... Thank you, Aldrin. Hello, what's up? For now, kwentuhan muna tayo. Guys, may ticket na ba kayo sa Tabing Ilog? Nag-open na kami kanina. So, kanina nag-open officially ang Tabing Ilog, the musical. So, kung mga wala pa pong tickets dyan, pwede po kayo manood. And you may check my schedule kung gusto nyo po mapanood. Panoorin nyo po ako either as Andoy. Speaking of Andoy, yeah, I have my Starbucks Andoy. Andoy and Rovic. Wait. Sige. There. Na po. Yes, meron ng tickets. At kanina nanood sila Riza ng ng Tabing Ilog. Hello? Are you there? Sino na nakapanood ng opening kanina? Ayan, si Karaoke's PH na ano siya kanina. Wait, di ko marinig. Wait, nakamute ka ata. Thank you, Potato. Are you on mute?
Hello?
There.
Yun! Hi, Ben!
Yes,
Hi, everyone!
So, nanood ka ng Tabing Ilog kanina. How was the experience?
Interview. Sige.
Okay, go.
Guys, I have to say, sobrang di ko in-expect yung ganda and galing ng cast. Kasi, alam mo, I thought na, okay, musical, ganun, and medyo, ilang months lang kayo nag-rehearse nun? Parang 1 month lang, di ba?
Actually, yeah, 1 month, you could say 1 month. Pero parang 3 days lang kami nag-stage rehearsals. And some of us even did like once lang or twice na TDR for their respective roles. Kaya super nag-worry rin kami kasi gahol talaga kami sa oras. And to be honest, hindi namin talaga hindi pa namin talaga super master lahat ng tracks namin. Pero yeah, thank you for that
I was so, and this is not a lie ha, you can tell. I was so impressed. And yung kasama ko din, sobrang impressed. Like we didn't think it would be that, hindi naman sa we'll think it's gonna be bad. Pero ibang level talaga. And we were so near the stage, guys. So we really felt everything. And ang dami nila mga gimmicks na parang, oh, pwede pala yun gawin. Parang nakakatuwa naman ng ganun. But I won't give anything away. I don't want to spoil anything. But guys, super good. So, unfortunately, we didn't see Ben as part of the cast. But don't worry kasi yung mga nag-lead naman ng play kanina, sobrang solid talaga.
really good. Talagang super iba din yung timpla. Every time na magkakaroon ka ng mapapanood mo iba't ibang alternates. Iba talaga yung timpla na nabibigay niya sa show.
Yeah, that's what I was telling that's what I was telling people kanina kasi for one, I know that you and Akira and JL have the same role, no?
Yeah,
Pero
one of my 2 roles.
yes. Pero kapag tinitingnan ko yung personality and yung voice style nyo, it's super not the same. So, iniisip ko talaga, hindi magiging same flavor yung mga performances ng mga iba't ibang cast. And I think that's a good thing. Kasi, alam mo, pwede ka manood ulit and it's a different show. Parang gano'n.
Alam mo ba, fun fact, talagang hindi lang kay Rovic yung magkakaiba kami. Like all of us talaga, iba't iba talaga. Yung boses namin, pati yung characterization namin, sobrang ibang-iba.
I was actually quite worried about that. Kasi, at first, akala ko na, so, kanino nila iti-tailor make yung role? Would it be, kasi if you tailor make it to, for example, Akira, then baka hindi na mag-fit sa'yo or hindi na mag-fit kay JL. Pero, I saw kanina how you guys were able to pull it off na, mag-fit naman pala talaga. It's gonna fit Benedict's naman pala. So, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, guys. I was worried about that. Kasi, yun nga, I don't know how you would tailor make it one role to three very different actors. Pero, kanina, I saw the vision. Parang, nga, no? Parang, okay, gets ko na.
Let's see. We'll have to see kung kamusta yung Rovic ko.
Sige, manood ako ha.
Really gonna be a different take. And to my Andoy din, yung Andoy ko din, it's a different take. So, you really have to see. Pero, if only meron ka lang time and money to splurge.
Or
Kasi hindi biro, guys, hindi naman biro talaga ang teatro, ang mga tickets ng theater. Pero, it's an experience. I'm telling you guys, it's a rewarding experience that you could give to yourself kapag may mga weekends kayo, na free kayo. Find some time and, siguro kung kaya nyong pag-ipunan, mga ganun sa mga estudyante dyan, it's really a different experience. You'll get to appreciate theater arts even more. Music, diba? And since it's a musical. How was the music?
the music, very good, very good. Honestly, ako kasi, I'm also a musician, so I know how hard it is to make things work and to do all the compositions and stuff like that. And I can really say na parang, wala, I was just, I guess, stuck in the moment na parang just listening to the music and all of that na hindi ko na iniisip yung technicalities. I was just really enjoying the performance. Kasi, I don't know, feel ko talaga yung Pilipinas parang kulang pa sa plays, kulang pa sa mga musical. And it's actually one of the things that I really like going to. Pinanood ko rin yung mga musicals before, like yung Rock of Ages and yung sa Tick Tick Boom. And feel ko talaga nakukulangan ako sa Pilipinas mag-release ng musical. So,
Oo pa rin naman.
and guys, si Benedict's nakaka-starstruck sa personal, I'm gonna say. I have to say.
That's not true.
It's true. It's true as in, ewan ko, ibang liwanag kapag personal. Parang, may alagang belo eh. Ganun. May glow eh.
Inuuto na lang talaga tayo, guys. By the way, thank you so much sa Karaoke's PH na binigay mo kanina kasi magagamit ko yun sa car. Excited akong gamitin yun sa car kasi yung mga friends ko mahilig sa video okay sa karaoke, kaya kapag nagbabiyahe kami, pwede na namin gamitin yun anywhere.
Abangan ko
Yeah, iko-content ko yun sa car kapag kakanta-kantahan ako. Hindi naman habang nagda-drive. Pwede ba maglagay ng stand na lang doon? Tapos habang nagda-drive kumakanta ka.
Stand talaga.
Yun kaya ibenta ko. Benta ko yung stand ng mic.
Yun. Ikaw magbenta ng stand ng mic ha.
Nakalagay doon sa...
Tandem tayo.
Yes, Jay Byrne. Thank you. Anyway, thank you for watching kanina and to your friend. Ano din namin yun, marketing team din namin siya.
Yes. Nabanggit din niya.
He did our marketing videos and other stuff.
Saan pala kayo nakaupo kanina? Sa taas kayo?
Sa taas kami. We were at the... Actually, if you guys are gonna watch, ang tawag dito? Manood kayo sa Balcony Center.
Talaga?
Balcony Center is the best place for you to watch kasi makikita mo yung video mapping. Di mo masyado na-appreciate yung ilog because nandun ka sa baba. Pero pag nandun ka sa taas, sa Balcony Center, which is, I think, cheaper, 500 peso cheaper than the VIP seats sa likod. Pero, guys, I'm telling you, it's a good deal and it's really a definite steal talaga kapag doon ka sa balcony. Wag lang sa sides. Pero okay lang din naman. Pero you'll appreciate naman the musical even sa sides. Pero doon sa center talaga, balcony center is the best seat, row.
I still enjoyed it. Kasi kami, we were like, from the stage, we were the third row. Kita talaga namin yung mga facial expression, gano'n. Enjoy namin. Yung mga pawis, kita namin, gano'n.
If you enjoyed it from that place, okay yun. Pero usually kapag talaga mga theater, maganda talaga manood from a little, a little farther lang from the stage para makita mo talaga as a whole. Lalo na pag yung musical na yun, yung Tabing Ilog, it's really from a distance makikita mo talaga yung video, ma-appreciate mo yung nangyayari sa stage, video mapping and all that, the blockings, the choreography, ganun. Basta ang masasabi ko lang maganda sa balcony.
The next time, hindi when I'm watching you, balcony na ba? Or should I still be at the front?
Enjoy, pero feeling ko ma-enjoy mo din yung balcony kasi makikita mo pa rin naman kasi the PETA theater is just small naman and it can accommodate naman talaga even the farthest of the farthest seat available.
Yun nga like I thought like if nasa balcony ka na medyo malayo na, pero parang hindi naman pala. Hindi naman pala.
Kita mo pa din, as in kitang-kita mo pa rin yung pawis, yung motions. Unless malabo mata mo.
I guess.
Yeah.
Nag-Starbucks kayo?
Yeah, I actually did. Hindi, dumaan lang ako. Kasi wala lang. Feeling ko kailangan ko lang ng warm something sa lalamunan. Kapag may warm, gusto ko coffee. Hindi, I'm not a tea person din kasi.
When's your next show ba?
My next show would be on Sunday as Andoy, 3 p.m. Yeah, it's a 3 p.m. show. So, you guys, sa mga nandito po, you can watch my 3 p.m. show on Sunday, November 12 as Andoy. Andoy is such a fun character. Have you seen him?
Yes, of course. I saw the show. Yeah. You're gonna be Andoy, so I can't imagine you playing Andoy. But we'll see.
That's what they said.
Talaga?
Pero I already played Andoy with the audience din yesterday lang. Ano oras ba? Basta yesterday sa media, sa press, tsaka some other artists and the ABS-CBN staff and all. I played Andoy. I actually opened Andoy but not officially kasi today is the official opening to the public.
You performed yesterday, pero today's the opening? So ano yung yesterday?
Yesterday was a press preview.
With ano lang, like ABS, ganon.
ABS and some press, pero full house. Ate Love, what's up? Thank you, MJ. Preview lang siya. Full house, pero mga nandun ABS and the artists and staff and all. So, yesterday.
Sino si Robert doon?
Akira din. Si Andoy lang yung naiba.
So what we saw today, ganon din yesterday, tas with you.
Yeah, with me lang.
Ooh, sana I watched yesterday. Invited.
Well, actually, may mga ano, hindi kasi siya nilabas sa public din talaga. Like, for press, gano'n. Andoy, Rovic, or Anthony? Ang hirap naman mamili. But I never played Anthony on stage naman. So, I'd go for Rovdoy. Rovdoy. Thank you.
For really challenging, Like,
It's really challenging kasi I'll be playing two roles. Imagine, magka-opposite sila. Imagine mo yung kanina na panood mo.
yes.
Di ba? Rovic and Andoy are two different characters, like super
Sobrang,
different. So, yun yung challenge ko talaga sa musical na to kasi sobrang hirap niyang i-gauge pa sa totoo lang.
and which one do you like performing?
I actually enjoyed performing Andoy too, but at the same time, I like storytelling for Rovic. Parang yung Rovic, di ba? Kita mo naman si Rovic daming hugot sa buhay, di ba? Si Andoy kasi is just a fun guy. Yeah, he's there to make the barkada more livelier and more happy. Pero si Rovic kasi, he's like one of the conflicts din that you have to watch out for sa mga nandito. Thank you, Emmy. Salamat.
Pero si Andoy, was it on purpose na binigyan ka ng ganong role? Kahit hindi talaga, sa unang tingin, hindi talaga fit sa personality mo, hindi fit sa...
Well, they trusted me because I already did Young Anthony sa Ang Huling El Bimbo. Maybe that's one of the reasons why I was casted as Andoy. But originally, hindi talaga ako masyadong peg kay Andoy. Parang more on other roles sana. Pero when they actually saw all of us and then yung mga gusto din nilang makast, yun namin, pinag-read kami ng mga pwede namin
Si Rovic kasi medyo pang pretty boy, pang gwapo. Bagay na bagay kay Benedix yan, di ba? Press 1 kung bagay.
Isa yan sa naging trouble ko. Napaka-pogi naman kasi ni Akira at ni JL, di ba? Para mapantayan ko yung Rovic. Originally, talagang lang yun tawag dito. Talagang dapat tagtadalawang roles lang kami sa lahat. Pero dahil marami silang gustong makast, and they believe na 3 sets would be safer, I believe. So they went for some 3 actors for 1 role, ganon. And 2, some others are 2, ganon. Thank you, BB. Thank you to Love Bessie. Talagang interview to, no?
Ang PBB friends niyo. Oh.
They watched yesterday sa press night. They were there. Some of them were there. And then si Samantha, si Ian, si Shania, Ate Karen, and some PBB adults and teens, and some other PBB batch. Kasi po ba hindi ko nabanggit na nandun? Kasi yun, sila, mga ibang...
Kapag sila di ba? Sila KD.
Yeah.
They also watched?
Not yet. But I think they're planning to kasi they also work with PETA na rin naman. So, they're just busy now. Thank you, guys. Thank you for sharing and for everybody here. Anyway, nag-quick live lang talaga ako just to say hello to everyone. But I'm gonna sleep na. I'm so sleepy na din.
Is it okay if I just plug my machine for a bit?
Sure.
Yes, guys. So the Karaoke's PH karaoke speaker is available in TikTok Shop. Just click the yellow basket in my Hello. You see? Sobrang high quality. Di talaga basag yung tunog. It's a speaker with a microphone. So yun lang, guys. And
I can't wait to try mine.
yes. And screenshot tayo. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Thank you for the karaoke PH kanina. I already have that karaoke, sabi ni Gino. Better gift that to someone special to you. Lalo na this Christmas. Perfect Christmas gift. Diba? Advanced Merry Christmas. Good luck, MV. Yeah, maraming salamat. Anyway, good night. Good night, everyone. Good night. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you guys. Good night.